Why do people cheat in relationships? Let's discuss in the comment section, but I'm going to throw some light to this topic. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Discovering a partner has cheated on you can be devastating. You might feel hurt, angry, sad, or physically sick. But above all, you might be wondering why.
Just they play.
Anger or revenge. People sometimes cheat out of anger or a desire to get a revenge. Maybe you just discovered your partner cheated. You're stunned and hurt. You might want your partner to go through the same emotions so they really understand the pain they caused you. In other words, they hurt me, so now I will hurt them, is often the driving thought behind the retaliatory infidelity. Anger motivated. Infidelity can happen for reasons other than revenge, though including frustration in a relationship where your partner doesn't understand you or understand your needs. Anger at a partner who isn't around much. Anger at a partner who doesn't really have much to give physically or emotionally. Anger or frustration after an argument. Regardless of the underlying cause, anger can act as a powerful motivator to become intimate with someone else. Falling out of love. The exhilarating feeling of falling deeply in love with someone generally doesn't really last forever. When you first fall in love with someone, you might experience passion, excitement, and a rush of dopamine from simply getting a text from them. But the intensity of these feelings usually fade over time. Sure, stable, lasting love exists, but those first date butterflies will only take you so far. Once the glitter fades, you might realize that the love just isn't there. Or maybe you realize you're in love with someone else. This can make it hard for you to live a relationship that still provides a sense of family, friendship, stability, and safety. But staying in a relationship without romantic love may lead to a desire to experience love again and motivate you to infidelity. Number 3, situational factors and opportunity. Simply having an opportunity to cheat can make infidelity more likely. This doesn't mean that everyone who has the opportunity to cheat will do so. Other factors often, but not always, add to the motivation to cheat. Consider this scenario. You're frustrated with the recent distance in your relationship and dealing with the feelings of low self-esteem around your appearance. One day, a co-worker you're friendly with catches you alone and says, "I'm really attracted to you, let's get together sometime." You might not choose to cheat if only one or two factors were involved. But this combination of motivating factors, the distance in your relationship, your feelings about your appearance, the attention of your co-worker, can make infidelity more likely. Potential scenarios. Certain situational factors can also make infidelity more likely, even in a strong, fulfilling relationship, including having a lot to drink and sleeping with someone after a night out, wanting physical comfort after a distressing event, living or working in an environment where there is a lot of physical touch and emotional connection. Commitment issues. People who have a hard time with commitment may be more likely to cheat in some cases. Plus, commitment doesn't mean the same thing for everyone. It is possible for two people in a relationship to have different ideas about their relationship status, such as whether it is casual, exclusive, and so on. It is also possible to really like someone and still fear committing to them. In this case, one partner might end up committing infidelity in order to get away from commitment, even if they would actually prefer to stay in a relationship. Other reasons for commitment-related infidelity might include lack of interest in committing long-term, wanting a more casual relationship, wanting a way out of a relationship, unmet needs. Sometimes one or both partners' needs for intimacy go unmet in a relationship. Many people choose to stay in a relationship, often hoping things will improve, especially if the relationship is otherwise fulfilling. But unmet needs can lead to frustration, which might worsen if the situation doesn't improve. This can provide motivation for those needs to be met elsewhere. Unmet knacking needs might happen when partners have different knacking drives. One partner can't knack or doesn't have interest in knacking activities. One or both partners often spend time away from home. Unmet emotional needs can also motivate infidelity. Emotional infidelity can be tricky to define, but it generally refers to a situation where someone invests a lot of emotional energy to someone else other than their partner. If your partner doesn't seem interested in what you think, feel, or have to say, you might start sharing your thoughts with someone else who is interested to listen. This can lead to an intimate connection that resembles a relationship. Knacking desire. A simple desire to knack can make some people motivated to cheat. Other factors, including opportunity or unmet knacking needs, may also play a part in infidelity that is motivated by desire. But someone who wants to knack might also look for opportunities to do so without other motivators. Even people who have knackingly satisfying relationship might also want to knack other people. These might result from a high level of knacking desire, not necessarily any knacking or intimate issues in a relationship. Wanting varieties. In the context of a relationship, the desire for variety often relates to knacking. For example, someone might be interested in trying different types of knacking their partner isn't into, even if otherwise they are well matched with their partner. Variety might also mean different conversations or variety of communication, different non-knacking activities, attraction to other people, relationship with other people in addition to their partner. Attraction is another big part of variety. People can be attracted to many types of people, and that necessarily don't just stop because you're in a relationship. Some people in monogamous relationships might have a hard time not acting on those feelings of attraction. Low self-esteem. Wanting a boost to low self-esteem can sometimes also motivate infidelity. Having knacking with a new person can sometimes have a positive feeling. You might feel empowered, attractive, confident, or successful. These feelings can build up your self-esteem. Many people who cheat because of low self-esteem issues have loving partners, supportive partners who offer compassion and encouragement. But they might think they have to say that, or they just don't want me to feel bad. Receiving admiration and approval from someone new, on the other hand, can feel different and exciting. It may seem more genuine to someone with low self-esteem, who might assume that the new person have no relationship obligation to lie or exaggerate. I hope that this video shed more light on the reason why people cheat. Now expect part 2 very soon, where I will be teaching you how to handle a cheating partner, or if you're the one that cheated, how to handle it. I'm going to see you next time in my next video. Have a blast.